Last some time has seen heightened activity on the line of control, especially in the Poonch Rajouri districts. At the line of control, there have been border action team attempts to attack the Indian Army post. There have been infiltration bids and also IED blasts that have been carried out. All this is ensuring that the Indian Army is on the highest alert. The Army is ensuring that the troops are on the alert. There are patrol parties that are ensuring 24/7 surveillance. At the same time, posts have been kept on the highest alert, and not just in Jammu but across the line of control, be it Kashmir right up to Gurez. Various army formations are ensuring 24/7 vigil of the line of control area. Sources suggest that there was an attempt of bat action on the Jammu side, which was repulsed, and the Indian Army retaliated. That led to casualties on the other side. An officer was also killed. And since there have been attempts to retaliate, but the Army knows that, and that's why they are on high alert. As far as Gurez is concerned, we got exclusive visuals of the line of control area. Very high snow levels, and the Army, in spite of that, doing patrolling on those heights, 24/7 vigil. And at the same time, there are training exercises as well on high altitude, where Army Jawans can be seen firing. Target practice is going on, and basically attempts are to ensure that the readiness and the alert is maximum. The Army is ready. Troops are also ready as far as their firing drills, patrolling. In fact, dog squads have also been activated. So every step in the book is being taken by the Indian Army to ensure that infiltration is not allowed. At the same time, if there are attempts like bad action, or there are attempts to trigger IEDs, lay booby traps, the troops through these patrolling measures, through 24/7 surveillance, manage to foil that and ensure that the LOC remains safe. At the same time, the attempts of the enemy, the designs to carry out infiltration bids or to attack posts, attack patrol parties is thwarted. At Campus in Tariq Lone, Mir Farid, Srinagar for India Today.